going to be mixing all these lines. This is just all glittery crystal. Glossy slime. Alright, so we're gonna these are limited edition, so yeah. And this is so it turns out like a teal color, like a really teal color. I know what to make this even better. So I know what to make this even better. I'll be right back. So I'm back and it's glittery. So that's what this. I'm gonna put a little bit sueltito. Eso la mata. And dami. This line. So yeah, ¿qué estás haciendo? Un video. And then put a little bit of everything.
Ah, vas a juntar todos esos con ahí. Verde. Ah, no, ya, ¿verdad? Blanco. Doradilla azul. Dorado. Y azul. Yo he hecho este azul.
So I have my little cousin here. He's from Mexico. He's gonna help put in the blue.
Arriba de la montañita. estaba.
No.
Dame tantito.
Y ahorita te vas a lavar las manos.
Gato.
Máquina. After the reflection.
No, hombre, ya no era lavar las manos.
¡Ay! Ya se cayó. Oh, ve, apúrate. Oye, alguien está en el baño. Apúrate. Now my cousin, the slime is basically like taking over his hands. So yeah. So this is going in my collection. So yeah. My opinion. I think the British will make it even more stupid. There we go. Apúrate.
¿No se mancha eso?
No. ¿Me puedes a traer la cosa, la caja que está en la sala?
Azul.
No, así como cafecito. This was a bit bad. Spider, red, pink lotion and nice. So, yeah, this turned out way different than I expected. So, yeah, give it a big thumbs up. So this has to go. This is a treat bill. So yeah, not a complete fail, but let's see if this one. Let's see if this one makes it. Oh, yeah, dude. It did work. It did help get all the like teal slime or turquoise slime off of my hands. But there's also some stuff of like baby blue slime on my hands. So I think this will fix it. And what's supposed to be the all with all the all these things in. Well, with all the slimes in it, but it turned out just to be like a fishbowl. Alright, now I guess it's time for some ASMR. Okay, so